The brief was simple: give light, give space, give fun. The idea was to create a bubble of creativity to really give space for design furniture. Because I collect furniture and objects, when I design a new place or a new apartment, they are completely part of my new vision. That's why I like keeping the apartment simple and clean to let the items be the star. Because Marseille is associated with summer, I wanted to create my dream apartment in the south of France in a modern style. I wanted to feel like I'm always on holiday. My name is Benoit. I'm an interior designer. I'm the owner of this apartment, which I renovated in 2025. It was originally designed for me and my beautiful dog Georgette. The apartment is located in Marseille, a port city in southern France. The neighborhood attracts young people, artists, and many people from Paris who desperately need sun from the south. It's a very convenient location, close to shops and 5-minute walk to the beach, but at the same time it's a very calm street. The building was built at the beginning of the 20th century. It's a very typical type of building in Marseille. When I first visited the apartment, it had been squatted for many years. The atmosphere was actually very sad with bad energies. There was a bar between the kitchen and the living room, which required to walk through the corridor to access to the kitchen. We removed the kitchen bar and added the small dining table between the windows. In the bedroom, we removed the sliding doors to create a large circle opening.
This episode is brought to you by Rayon Design. We used Rayon to recreate the floor plan for this week's episode. It gave us a closer look at how the space was organised and a better understanding of the big and small decisions shaping the home. Rayon is a professional-grade online CAD tool built for interior designers and architects. Rayon is the ideal end-to-end design software to take projects from early concepts through to execution documents, all within a single editing environment. You can quickly test layouts, move furniture, refine plans, and explore ideas in real time, making it easy to experiment, adjust, and refine things as you go. Floor plans, schedules, and documentation all live together in one streamlined workspace. Rayon also integrates AI tools directly into the workflow, while presentation boards, schedules, and documentation layouts can all be assembled in one connected workspace. Want to explore Rayon yourself? You can jump into the floor plan we made for this episode, or create your free Rayon account today. Links in the description.
When you step inside the apartments, the third thing you see is the light coming through the circle cut out in the wall. At the end of the corridor, I had the cute wall shelf for my keys and glasses. I created the cutout to frame my PH5 lamp from Poulsen that I love. From the corridor, there is an arched doorway that leads to the living room. When I created this space, I wanted people to feel like they were on a theater set. The main wall in the living room was finished using tile cement. It gives the wall a very interesting mineral appearance that captures the light. For storage, I got a stainless steel cabinet which I mounted on the wall. Normally, it's a storage for a professional kitchen, but I think it works well in this space. I already own these pieces of furniture, so I was able to imagine how they would look in the space. For example, the Togo is for Georgette. She loves it, it's her bed. And my seat is from the incredible Pierre Paulin. It's a mushroom chair that I really love. I like a clean and compact looking kitchen. I decided to use white IKEA cabinets to create a simple L-shaped kitchen. There is a hidden fridge and also a hidden dishwasher. The oven also functions as a microwave, so we were able to save space. The kitchen may be small, but it has everything you need. The worktop is made of formica, the same as the shelf in the entrance. It reminds me of my grandparents' furniture and of my childhood. Before the renovation, there were upper cabinets that took up too much visual space. I created Mediterranean-style niches above the sink. It forces you to only have few objects that you really love. It's my Marie Kondo way of style, you know? The dining table is custom-made because I wanted the perfect size. It is fixed to the wall and has a curve, so movement around this space is easier. The bathroom entrance is through a frameless door in the corridor. I found this cute little yellow door handle on the marketplace, which matched so well with the yellow in the apartment. The bathroom has no windows and it's extremely small, so the best idea was to work on details. First, I chose a yellow tile, of course. It's a checkerboard tile which gives an impression of space. I use it in the shower and for the backsplash as well. The entrance to the bedroom is quite spectacular, and that's entirely intentional. The space is very small, so the idea was to keep it as open as possible with minimal furniture. The bed platform was entirely custom-made. We cover it in a Gucci wallpaper and protect it with several layers of clear varnish. So it's very durable, contrary to what people might think. The circle doorway was inspired by the work of the architect Jean Balladur. I worked together with my craftsmen and came up with the idea during the construction. We created niches in the wall for more open storage, including shelves to display items I have. There is a large, almost 3 square meters closed closet. I added some shelves in here so I can hide everything, like my clothes, vacuum, and just household things. When it comes to a small space, I think we should make it fun, make it clear, and create space to hide things. I think tiny spaces force the architect to focus on the essentials and center on the person who lives there. This restriction can often create opportunities for something that is personal, unique, and to test ideas that would be too costly in larger homes.
Sign up to our newsletter for subscriber-only content and exclusive offers. Visit nevertoosmall.com/subscribe.